The kitchen is the heart of the home, especially during the holidays. The leading cause of fires in the kitchen is unattended cooking. Most cooking fires in the kitchen involve the stove. Remember, cook with caution. Have a kid-free zone of at least 3 feet around the stove and areas where hot food and drinks are prepared. Stay in the kitchen while cooking and use a timer to help remember items in the oven or on the stovetop. Keep anything that can catch fire, such as oven mitts, utensils, or towels, away from the stovetop. If you have a small grease cooking fire on the stovetop, decide to fight it. Smother the flames by sliding a lid over the pan and turning off the burner. Leave the pan covered until it is completely cooled. For an oven fire, turn off the heat and keep the door closed. If you have any doubt about fighting a small fire, just get out and call 911 from outside the home. When you leave, close the door behind you to help contain the fire. The holidays are also a time when family or friends may want to join in the food preparation, but keep in mind that fire safety is important. With the speed of deep frying a turkey and the great flavor, turkey frying has become a holiday tradition for some, but they have the potential to cause fire and serious injury. If you plan to deep fry your holiday bird, be sure you know how to use the fryer and take these precautions to protect yourself, your guests, and your home. Always remember, keep outdoor fryers away from the decks, your house, trees, and outside of your garage. Make sure the turkey is fully thawed and dried before cooking. Icy water that mixes into the oil can cause flare-ups. Follow instructions to avoid overfilling. Oil can ignite when it makes contact with the burner. Turn off the burner before lowering the turkey into the oil. Once the turkey is submerged, turn the burner back on. Keep children and pets away from the fryer at all times. Once finished, carefully remove the pot from the burner, place it on a level surface, and let the oil cool overnight before disposing of. Remember, never put water on a grease fire, as it will allow the flames to spread. The Emerald Isle Fire Department wishes you a happy and safe Thanksgiving.